Parang puno yan. Ang spiritual mga activities natin, the purifications, all of the cosmic na mga enhancers or cures natin, these are like your roots doon sa puno mo. Pinapatibay ka niyan, hindi mo lang siya nararamdaman. Pero in time, pag dumating ang matinding unos o pagsubok, doon mo makikita hindi ka na kayang yanigin. That is how you actually consider which cures now do you want. Something that will come and go, something that is not lasting, and something that you cannot really rely on. These are the, parang yung mga dahon. Meron dyan natatangay lang ng hangin, meron dyan hindi talaga nagtatagal, may mga panahon talaga kalbo yan and everything, no? So these are what you see, okay? Yung stems, yung trunk ay parang ikaw. Yung mga decisions mo, mga plano nyo, mga ginagawa nyo, yung mga diskarte nyo, yan, no? Well, you can be stronger than the leaves, no? Pero given weight that you have to carry, nagbe-break, diba? Or you cannot actually move. But the roots, without seeing it, and without really knowing, it makes you actually stronger. Napapalaki niya ang network mo na hindi nyo nalalaman.